You are going to love the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, driver vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.